Hey, let me glom Jolana.
Why you say that?
This is my pasanga begana out. Then out Ishatama twins. Kusanga twins I two.
Lucky guy.
Kusanga twins I two. Obvious I'm twins I two dog. Like Ishatama twins.
Wow.
Yeah, and go grand by happy. Mara why umuntu afungenza lento le ngempilo. Kozakala ngama twins. Abanye bashade nama twins. uJimmy Tao udlela ama twins naye. uJimmy Tao nawo usenzile. And uJimmy Tao akazi ukuthi lipi twins elimlimazile. Unokobheka athi yenina. Yenina lithu. Omunye wona uyangijwayela. Lazantwana ama identical twins. Nina bo DJ.
Imagine if it happened to Tokyo.
Oh.
That would be a different story.
Yeah. Man, I guess I can talk a little. I'm cool. My handbag. Uchimulo willing at 200,000 prop. Hey, sorry. If Nanglo willing at 200,000 rand, Lumding Lowe Fanega Benito as ning as important. Or Calapanabene driver's license. I was a swimmer, and everything or two exenang vus. For what? For 200,000. Everything what you Baba Vuga so is cut. For no reason, Japan Vuga Baba so is cut Sakona 2. Good. I've 2 minutes past 2 Lale.
Every day.
200,000.
Yeah.
I'm a first about 96 now a Transkai or a Pulukone. Oh yes, I'm going to have a 1.8 location years most. Because what happened now? Who shot you now? From 4.5 name cookies 3. Mvlamloma we keep rift. Keep rift was a globola. Maluma Kazaka Savan W Malino Tele. Vulan
So this guy was on Mapasika's show.
Yes, 2 wives.
And he's got 2 wives and they're twins. And everything is fine.
What to happy? Hey, nothing to show him.
Happy. But what about the girls?
I could shoot him in the Puzai. Hey. Let you find Biza Prapop.
Yeah.
He made a me one. He super E1. Mama, 2 so Benza. Open up with us sometimes. I don't want to see my wife, so I just want to go and have my day to myself.
So how do you think the president copes?
That's why I
Oh, come on, please.
At vulgate and kind of Nangomacomolia Shanyela. Hey, Kanoboya de Nina, Kanuyan. Utungene Kinomia Shanyela, Evaning of Bagati, Omunia Shanyela, Omunia Washa, Omunumenzeli breakfast, Omunutatisha out was an app. Agaza Kalib. Minang Satamaway too. Araman is Bulalang egg.
But you know, I'm not understanding why this week there was virgin testing.
There was
and in Durban or in KZN, and you are from KZN as we speak. But I don't want to talk about that now because also there's the march for the DA that happened as well.
Parak my money. Let's do this. Let's do it. Vote